Welcome to Coinpunks, where we cover the top stories in the crypto space, helping you get informed on all things related to digital assets. No frills, no shills. Let's jump into today's stories. A single CryptoPunk non-fungible token sold for $11.8 million at the legendary American auction house Sotheby's, as per a report on Reuters. NFTs are blockchain-based digital representations of tangible or intangible objects that can range from digital collectibles to crypto art to physical real estate. If punk came to symbolize rebellion and a confrontation to music industry norms, then it could be said that crypto as a movement is doing something similar to institutional finance. Anti-authoritarianism, anti-corporate greed, and a visual demonstration of anti-capitalism are three ways to sum up both punk and cryptocurrencies. From hairstyles to fashion, hardcore punk was an artistic movement that gave people a way to culturally express their frustration with economic equality and neglect of working class people. With the introduction of NFTs, the punk movement had a new way to express its ideologies. CryptoPunks were launched by Larva Labs in 2017, and many of the first ever punks were given away for free. This was one of the first series of non-fungible tokens. There are 10,000 unique CryptoPunk characters, and no two are the same. The collectible nature of these characters has made them high-value property, with one selling at auction earlier this year for over $11.7 million. Many believe that the NFT scene is still in its early days. The US movie theater chain AMC announced in a shareholders call Monday it intends to accept Bitcoin for movie tickets and concessions in 2021. AMC Chairman and CEO Adam Aron said that the company will accept Bitcoin for tickets and concessions ordered online. Aron said the company intends to launch the service by the end of the year, but did not comment further on timing. A crypto whale has made over $500,000 on trades without moving Bitcoin or Ethereum. A user on Polymarket has made more than $500,000. Polymarket is an Ethereum-based betting platform where users can place wagers on various events like elections, news developments, or the price of Dogecoin on a certain date. According to PolymarketWhales.com, the participant, who's the most profitable user on the platform, has clocked about $566,000 in winnings. Participants on Polymarket place their bets or trades in USD stablecoin, in turn receiving shares that correspond to the probability of a certain outcome. Some of the other things that the whale placed bets on were who the world's richest person would be on February 27th, 2021, what the price of ETH would be on August 11th of 2021, whether or not over 56 points would be scored in Super Bowl 55, whether or not Cardano will support smart contracts by October 1st of this year. Canadian entrepreneur, investor, and reality TV personality Kevin O'Leary, also known as Mr. Wonderful, appears to now be singing ETH's praises as a deflationary asset. O'Leary took to Cameo, a website that allows users to purchase personalized video messages from celebrities, to espouse the benefits of Ethereum's August 5th London upgrades. It introduced a very important change to the monetary policy of Ethereum, said O'Leary. Currently, the fees that users pay to send transactions go to the miner, but after this improvement, the fees will be burned. While a firm date for Ethereum's forthcoming chain merge is yet to be announced, experts are predicting the merge will occur in early 2022. This wraps up things for today's show. Leave your comments on today's stories and also drop suggestions for what you'd like coverage on in the future. Hey, if you like today's show, give it a like and subscribe by hitting the old sub button. If you're on the go, you can get the same content in our podcast. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.